Boodle Herb Tree. This tree grows in the old state of Assam in India and is famous for medicinal properties. The leaves of this tree are used in the pharmaceutical industry. Darab Native Tree. This tree, located in the Fars province of Iran, is approximately 400 years old and, according to researchers, is one of the tallest trees in the world, with a height 25 meters. Jubata Tree. This tree grows in the Amazon region of Brazil and is the largest tree in the Amazon jungle, with a diameter of 40 meters and height of 53 meters.